Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will cover this issue as many of you have seen such type of error like product activation failed in Microsoft Windows. Such type of dialog box will open and here it is you will find out such type of error. So we will fix it today. So firstly you have to just go to the Window Explorer and then you have to go to the your PC, this PC, and then click on local disk C drive and then you have to click on program file. Here it is. And in program files, you have to go to Microsoft Office. Here it is. And then you have to go to the first option, Office 16. So in Office 16, you will find this file here, this application OSPR here. So you have to just right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. After this, you have to just restart your Microsoft Window, Microsoft Office, MS Word. So your issue will be fixed. If you have not find such type of file here, so you have to just go to the again local disk C drive, then program files. In program files, you have to now go to the common files. In common files, you have to click on Microsoft Shared, and in Shared, you have to find this Office Software Protection Platform option. So you have to just click on this folder. So here it is. If you have not find such files there, so this file will appear here. So I have find out this file in my Office 16. So basically, so that's why this file is not showing here. So when you found this, so you have to just right click on it and click on Run as Administrator, and after this you have to restart your MS Word. So if you like my video, so kindly like it, share it, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.